Good morning, you lovely people, and welcome back to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk, you know it. And as you can see, I'm in front of Sollentuna. Yes, home sweet home. We've got the Sollentuna logo over there. I actually think they replaced this sign a little while back, and the reason I'm walking here is because I was walking here in the morning. As you can see, it's a very cold, windy day. But that's not the point. The point is that about 4 years ago, I started this YouTube channel. And while walking here, I got nostalgic because where did I do my very first walking video? Over there. Along the water here at Edsviken, and it was a day just like this. It was a very snowy, cold winter day, and I just got myself, I believe it was a new stabilizer. I bought this stabilizer not to start a walking channel, but for my other work I do, some other video work. So I was like, let's go for a little stroll to test out my camera. And I ended up over there at the water, and I did my very first walking video. This is about 4 years ago. So I've been walking for 4 years. I've done 700 long walks and a bunch of shorts as well. And I was like, I was feeling a bit nostalgic. I was like, time fly, having fun. I've been walking around with my camera in Stockholm for 4 years now. Many things has happened in the last 4 years, but one thing stayed the same. I still love Stockholm, I still love walking. So yeah, I felt a bit nostalgic, and I was like, let's do a little re-walk of the walk that I did as walk number 1. So do me a favor, go to my channel, click on videos, click on oldest, and go and check out walk number 1. I didn't start here where I'm right now at Sollentuna. I started somewhere around there, but anyway, you'll recognize the place, the water. So yeah, let's walk over there. I think the ice machine is actually fixing the ice lane. So let me walk over there and check it out. That's pretty fun actually. This is a very good sporting complex. This is actually the football pitch where the local team Sollentuna plays their matches. So you get a little stadium here and some seats. It is not even 8 o'clock in the morning yet, so I don't even know why all these people are here. I guess they're gonna have ice hockey classes soon, so let me check it out. Check out the ice machine. I've never captured that on my walk, so why not? Winter in Sweden, it's actually not as cold as it looks like today. It's around 0 degrees, so it's not as bad as it was, like a week or so when it was minus 10. I know I promised you guys an Old Town Gamla Town walk, but I have some problems with the video file, so I'm still trying to fix that. So I was like, yeah, I do this one in between. That's why I haven't uploaded the walk for a few days, because I was struggling with my laptop, but all good. See the ice machine making it look very nice and shiny. It's actually, I'm saying ice hockey, but it's actually bandy. They're gonna play bandy here, which is a very similar sport they do here in Sweden. Bandy is basically like a hockey field, but it's bigger. So you can almost say it's like a combo between ice hockey and soccer kind of thing. I mean, it's not with a football, a big ball, it's with a small ball, but or the size of the pitch is more like football. As you can see, we had lots of snow. Alright, so when I see this, I feel nostalgic. The waterfront here, Edsviken, beautiful place. if you feel stressed out, you know, the waterfront is always the place to be, right? As you can see, the sun is actually rising. So accidentally I picked the best time to go for a walk. I did not do that on purpose. So Chat Gang, what's up? How's everyone doing? The real loyal viewers of the channel know I did another summer walk here where I bumped into a fox a bit further down. So I think I've only had 2 or 3 different videos where I saw a fox on the video, and which is also basically the only times in my life I even saw a wild fox. But yeah, different story. So yeah, I saw a fox up down the hill. See, this is so beautiful and relaxing. So yeah, whenever I feel a bit stressed and stuff, I go for a walk here. I've done many walks here. And even in the summertime, I go here with the kids. We go swimming. There's a beach over there. It's just very relaxing. I'm actually going downtown now, but yeah, this is not the fastest way to the station, definitely not, but the most fun way. Because, you know, if you've been watching my channel for a few years now, you know, I'm not into the fast way, I'm into the fun way, the adventure way. Because that's how you really get to know the, you know, your city or any place you're in, really. So yeah, the fox was up here because up there you got the church, and the church I also showed on a different video, a bit shorter video, like quite a while ago. I think you can see it from here. Maybe I can even zoom in a little bit into the church. I don't know if that works here. Wait. See, there it is. You can hear the snow making the sound of winter walks. So 4 years of walking. Question to you, Chat Gang people. What has happened in the last 4 years in your life? Did it get better? Did it get worse? Like, you know, of course we had COVID, right? Almost forgot about COVID. It's weird how COVID impacted so much of our lives. But also how quickly you forget. It feels like so long time ago, and then, yeah. It's like this amazing ability humans have is to bounce back. Okay, now I'm getting deep here, but I'm always amazed by the fact that people, after troubles, just in general, like if it's personal, even whole countries ending up in war or just misery in general, the ability for people to bounce back after things is just very inspiring to see always. Like, we ended up in a big pandemic, and now yeah, things are back to normal. I mean, the normal can still be horrible, so don't get me wrong, but so yeah, here are all the fancy houses here of Sollentuna. Some very big expensive villas, you know, with the sea view here. See, I'm not even wearing mittens because it looks way colder than it is today. It's quite comfortable, to be honest. But the water was always a bit windy, so it gets a bit chilly, but could have been much worse. yeah, it's like reliving my first walk. When I did my first walk here, I never expected me to walk 700 times. Well, okay. I mean, the official, I think this is walk 687 maybe, but I've done a lot of smaller walks that haven't really counted as an official walk, so yeah, I've actually done over 700 already. But if it's like shorter than, 10 minutes or whatever, then I don't really count it as a full proper walk in the numbering. So this is beautiful here. I'm not sure if I dare to go into the ice, but so quiet here. Feels like I have to whisper. Every time I'm whispering, I'm always thinking about the Blair Witch Project. People of my generation probably still remember this so-called documentary about a bunch of people like getting lost, I think in the forest or whatever. And everyone's like, is this real and stuff? And at that time, everyone thought that was really scary. If you look at it now, it doesn't look scary at all. It's just weird. But yeah, it was a bit of a hype back then. See, it's quite a lot of snow here. You can see it's quite deep. I'm not sure if this is the most entertaining walk to watch, but for me, this is a good one. Just enjoying the nature a bit. That's really impressive that people go at like 8 in the morning, cold, snowy, icy, slippery, and I go like, yeah, let's go out for a run. I mean, if you go out for a run right now, then you love running, right? You love running. See, so this is the beach. It doesn't look like much right now, but like in the summer it's full with people here. People having a picnic, you hear some music. It's a very good atmosphere here in the winter, not in the winter, in the summer. Well, I kind of like it now as well, but it's a different thing. See, so slowly it's getting a bit lighter now. Do, 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 do. You can see the Christmas decoration is slowly disappearing. You can still see a few here and there, but I guess that's just laziness. I had a little Christmas tree this year, but it's removed already. 2nd of January, I was like, I don't want to see this shit anymore. Excuse my language. Yeah, so here you can kind of see the opening here. So this is the beach. This is very nice for swimming in the summer. The only problem is, but this is a very common problem everywhere in Sweden, is there's a lot of bird shit on Swedish beaches. Like, that's the downside of having a great natural landscape. It attracts animals and animal shit. So this place is full with geese, I don't know, whatever they're called, shitting. So yeah, bird poo everywhere. They do clean it up, so there's better and worse days, but and then you would think, oh, there's a lot of people, so they probably won't come. Well, they do, but at 5 a.m. so which is a great thing, of course. I'm not complaining, but if you want to go for a day at the beach and it's full with bird poo everywhere, no, not that fun. Yeah, I think I'll probably walk to the corner over there. 4 years of walking, people. I will do some kind of live stream at 4 years of walking. I think the official date is about 3 weeks away, maybe 1 month away. It's February something, I have to look it up. It also depends if I count my first walk or the day I created the YouTube channel, because I guess there's a few weeks in between or whatever. So yeah, it doesn't matter. 4 years of walking, I'll just pick a date and have a little live stream, get good old Olof back on track, and yeah, maybe some other people, who knows. Maybe I get Nikos involved because he really wants to walk, or Carlos, or Madeleine, or yeah, we'll see. We'll get some friends together. The more the merrier. See, these haven't really removed the Christmas decoration yet. Always, a lot of these times when I see these villas with the big yards and stuff, I always get a bit of an American feeling somehow. I don't know, because I've never really seen it, but that's just the impression I always get of Christmas movies. Alright, I think this is kind of it. We got an outdoor gym here. I don't think too many people go to the outdoor gym. Big Christmas, not Christmas, snowball. Alrighty folks, that's it from Sollentuna. Oh yeah. Give you a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and do me a favor, go to my first video and comment on my first video, and a thumbs up there as well, to check if you've actually went back and watched my first video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.